So today I'm setting up the balcony. I've got the panels here put on. I've just got to clip off the parts here that I used for the twist ties. So I put one on each side. So there. I'm going to leave this table here where it is. Then I've got the screen on the other side. And then I'm going to use these flower boxes, and I'll be putting them on the railing. I've got a little faux plant there, just a little decorative item there. I've washed the windows on the doors. So then I'm going to decorate that space right there with the new furniture that I bought from Homesense, or Winners actually, about a month ago. And I actually have it in the house right now. I don't know if you can see it in there. Kind of in there. That's what I'll be bringing outdoors here. Just a few minutes. So I set the balcony flowers up. These are just filled with pansies. And I already picked the flowers off of them so that they could get a fresh start outside. And hopefully in a few months, next month, they will be doing good. So I put one on that side, over here. And look out there, our snow's gone. Pretty soon I'll be able to get out here into my flower beds. I have a tiny, tiny bit of snow down there. That's about it. But this is the part I'm focusing on today. Yesterday we put the lights up there. So now I'm going to go bring in the furniture. Well, guess what? I've got the furniture stuck in the damn door. And I can't fit it through. Might have to take our screen thing off. I'm not very happy right now. But we'll see. So here's my dilemma. I now have to take part of this screen thing down. And that chair is coming because there's two of them. And this is the little table that matches it. And I actually bought chair covers that I put in there that fit perfectly. The chair covers I got over here. I've set up the little table. These are kind of cute. These are the hydrangeas that I bought at Homesense. And if I try and lift that up, they fit perfect into these pots. So there's the pot, and they fit perfect in here. I bought those at Homesense, and I bought two of them so that they match. And now I'm going to work on this screen door thing. So this is one of those sliding screen doors, you know. Oh yay. Well, I kind of like it, but today I don't. So keep watching as I try and get this chair in here. I've got the things out of here, so now I'm hoping this will just pull out. Look at that. Just gotta lift it up. Give it a yank. Put that outside for a bit. And now I'm going to try and get this chair through here. So here goes. Look at that. I got it through all by myself. Pretty damn proud because I always get my husband to do everything. Not today. Anyway, I'm going to go set it up. And I'm going to bring the other one in, or out here too. All right, I got those set up. Got my flowers over there. I think I'm going to move one over to the other side, just because I think I like it better over here. I'm going to stick it there for now. And later on this summer, I'll be putting some flowers out. But for now, this is kind of how it looks. So I'm going to reset this thing back in for the door. Put the screws back in. And then I'm going to get a glass of wine. And I'm going to sit out here and enjoy. So one thing that I forgot that I bought these solar lights that I am going to be putting on this stuff here. But that's going to be a different project because I'm too tired today. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to get myself a glass of